Hey there, it's Erica Jones here, and you're watching True Beauty You TV. And in this video, I'm going to share with you an awesome tool, a resource that I've used to create a clear complexion, and I hope it's one that you find to be useful too for creating glowing skin. But first, let me say, I hope that you've had a great Memorial Day weekend, that it was full of some rest, some relaxation, some downtime. And if you serve in the armed forces, or you have loved ones that do, if you've lost a loved one that served in the armed forces, I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for the service that you've given, for the service that your loved ones have given as well. I come from a military family, and I know that those sacrifices are very real, and I just want to say how much we appreciate you on Memorial Day and those holidays. So if you did a little bit too much indulging over the holiday weekend, maybe you woke up this morning or one of the mornings over the weekend and you've got like a nice new blemish or zit on your face and you're just not happy about that. Or maybe you're someone that you've struggled to have clear skin consistently. I know that was my issue for years. I really was so frustrated because I felt like I was doing everything that I could to create a clear complexion, and it was just constant, like annoying breakouts here, another one there. It was just never really consistent clear skin. Well, this tool that I'm going to share with you today is going to help you. I hope that it's going to help you in the way that it's helped me to create that complexion that you really want and desire. Now, I don't know if you've ever heard of this before, but what I'm going to be talking about is Chinese face mapping. It's really an ancient tool that's used by the Chinese. Some people think that it's, kind of like woohoo or whatever, kind of out there, and maybe it is, but if you're someone that hasn't achieved the results that you want to see with your skin yet, then you really have nothing to lose in trying it. If you have, if you've got perfect skin and you don't really feel like there's anything that you have to benefit from this strategy, then just, skip this video and go on. But what I'm going to be talking about here is this Chinese face mapping strategy and why I really feel like it works. If you've been following my videos, or if you know anything about me, you know that I really believe that beautiful skin comes from within. So it starts on the inside. Yes, I 100% believe that there's products that can enhance beauty, that they can really boost radiance, but the foundation of it all is how the body is functioning on the inside. And a lot of that has to do with nutrition and lifestyle and what we're putting inside of our bodies. But the reality is that if things aren't really up to par on the inside, then no matter how many products that we apply or put on the outside, it's really not going to be enough to undo that damage. So the cool thing about the Chinese face map is that it really highlights different areas of the skin and how they might be tied to organs inside of our body. Now, I don't know that this is, scientific per se, and that there's been like all these research studies and whatnot that have gone on with it. And, sometimes studies really don't deserve the weight that we give them anyway. But what I can say is that in my personal experience, and in my experience working with clients and just talking to women in general, that there are specific things about the Chinese face map that I really do believe have some truth to them and have some credence. And so I'm going to talk about what those things are in this video. Now, the first one is what I call the acne hotspots. So in terms of our face and where acne and blemishes tend to show up, it's oftentimes in the forehead, it's over on the chin, and oftentimes it's in the cheek area. And so the Chinese face map says that those areas are specifically linked to either the stomach or our colon, the digestive system in general. Now, one of the things that I truly believe is that our digestion is very intimately linked and tied to our complexion. I know that because I've seen it through experience. I've helped people clear their complexion that have really been struggling in that area, and oftentimes it really clears up when the diet, nutrition, lifestyle is changed. So when we look at the Chinese face map, it shows that the acne hotspots, the chin, the forehead, and this area in the cheeks that's kind of close to the nose, that specific area is tied to digestive upset. So this can come about in a variety of ways. So it can be from, just binging on too much sugar over the weekend. Maybe you had, a few too many pieces of cake or ice cream or whatever it is. Or it could be stress on the digestive system. So that can be just stress in general. If you've ever heard of having the saying, I've got a knot in my stomach, when people say that when they're stressed out or they're worried, that really creates tension in your digestive system. We hold tension in our stomach sometimes. That's why one of the worst things to do is to eat when you're stressed out, because it compromises your ability to digest your food, and it's just really hard on your body. So that stress can show up on your skin. The other way it can show up too is, let's say you ate too much. Even if you're eating healthy food, you can eat too much of that food, which can cause inflammation in the digestive system, which shows up in blemishes. And that was something that I am embarrassed to say, but I struggled with for years, is that I was living a high stress lifestyle, and one of the ways that I comforted myself was by eating too much food, and sure enough, I would get blemishes like clockwork, on my cheeks, on my forehead. It would just show up. And even now I know if I push myself a little bit too hard in terms of how much I'm eating, I will definitely see a blemish pop up. So those are just a few of the ways that I really feel like you can use the Chinese face map to identify specific organs in the body and how they may be affecting blemishes and your skin. Now, there's more organs that are affected, obviously, other than just the digestive system. If your liver's having a little bit too much of an overload in terms of processing toxins and things like that, you might get a blemish in the middle of your forehead here. So there's different places on your face that are linked to different organs in the body. Now, you may or may not believe in this or buy into it at all, but I'm just saying, if you're someone that you're not where you want to be with your skin, you may just try it on for size, see how it fits with you, if it makes sense. In the article that I'm going to link to this video, I'm going to give you some ways to support the different organs that may be like out of whack or topsy-turvy based on the blemishes that are showing up on your skin. And you can perhaps use that to try to see if those solutions work for you in clearing those blemishes up. And the final thing that I'll say is that for me, over the years, I've really used this kind of strategy to fine-tune what my skin reacts to. So when I realized, okay, my digestive system is responding to the inflammation by a zit popping up or a blemish, then I was able to fine-tune specific foods and specific food groups that really give me a hard time. So for me, like dairy, especially soft dairy like milk, I can't do milk or yogurts or anything like that. It's really hard on my skin, and it's hard for me to digest. So as you kind of are able to hone in on really how your skin and your body is reacting, you can really get specific on foods and certain things that may not really gel well with your body. And that over time I really think is the best thing, because you want to create a strategy and a plan that's really customized and tailored to you. And I feel like the Chinese face mapping is one way to get there. So I hope that you find value in this tool. Go check out the article on my site about it if you're not already there, and you can see there's a few different ways that you can support different organs of your body based on where your blemishes are. All right, so thanks so much for watching, and I'll be back with more great content for you soon. Have a great day.